Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. Now we're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of Solana, see what really is happening and where we could see the price of Solana going in the immediate short term. What a great way, to end the month of June, because, we've seen a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market breaking out towards the upsides. Things are starting to heat up a lot. So we're going to be analyzing specifically today's Solana. So if we're looking at the price right now, $18.29, we're down about 1.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Solana is also down about 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're focusing on its market cap, it's back above that $7 billion mark, currently sitting at $7.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $730 million. But now comes the question, what really is next? That is probably what you're asking yourself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Solana right now as of June 30th, 2023, of course, you guys can see the price of Solana has reclaimed above that $18.34 level of resistance. I cannot be more happy. This is exactly what we were projecting. This was that next main target where I wanted to see the price of Solana above. And as of June 30th, what a way to end the month of June. But now comes the question, what really is next? Are we about to move towards the downside once again? Or what exactly is next? So I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys. But before we do that, let's look at, the June 10th prices. We saw Solana get hit really, really hard because, of course, the dominance was sky high. And, we did see BTC take a significant drop. It went all the way from this $28,000 mark all the way down to $24,800, which really affected a lot of altcoins. And of course, the SEC announcement where it labeled it as a security, that really, put a massive sell pressure. As you can see, we saw the price of Solana drop literally 43%. Literally 43%. And we broke below this massive level of support, which we have not broken below literally since the month of March. Mainly, literally since the beginning of the year, we've seen the support really play out for us. So once again, the month it dropped below it, it's the same month where we have gone back above that level of resistance, and I could not have asked for a better month ending. So great to see on that part. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. So let's say, around this time, of course, no one wanted to be touching Solana. We know there's not many people wanting to touching Solana or any other project that is going through negative news, and that is to be expected. And you can't have people not do that. That's everyone's right of way. Everyone makes their own decision, right? But obviously the crazy diehard supporters of Solana were like, we're sticking with our project, and Solana Foundation also came out and backed themselves up. They're like, we're not a security. Solana is a native token for the Solana blockchain. And, that actually makes a lot of sense. But what a coincidence, right? That, after all that, we saw Bitcoin go up all the way to almost 31,000. It was just planned out. We see all these massive big hedge funds and, of course, massive institutions going in and all of a sudden filing for Bitcoin ETF. Why are they doing that, you may be asking? I'm sure I've covered it in my other videos, but if you have not watched my other videos, I'll just run through it briefly. Basically, the reason as to why all these institutions are coming in all of a sudden is because they know next year is 2024, and it's just not an ordinary year for the cryptocurrency market. It's a very historic time because Bitcoin halving is happening, and Bitcoin, mining reward will be cut in half. So they know all of a sudden everyone's going to be talking about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies next year. And historically speaking, everything is playing out. So they're like, what better way than getting in right now? And obviously when that announcement came, we've seen the price of Bitcoin literally skyrocket, hit a new yearly high. And now we have seen today, thanks to BTC dominance, we have seen the price of Solana reclaim above that massive level of resistance, guys. This is a huge level of resistance since breaking below, this level of support. This is the first time where we have gone above here. But now look at this. Look what's going on. So after that, now we're being supported Literally, we're being supported right above that level of support. And that shows you the significance. So basically what happened today is we saw the price of Solana go back up to $20 a pop. So if you picked up some Solana around that range when no one was touching it, of course, there's the massive famous thing, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that were being greedy around this time, now they're the ones that are smiling with a 43% gain in a matter of 2 weeks. 40% gain. If you want to put that into perspective, that's a 40% your money. So let's say, for example, you put $10,000, you are currently sitting at $4,000 in profit. So that is really, really good. But the most important thing is that we have reclaimed above that level of resistance. But look where we got stopped out, $20. What is $20? Now you may be saying $20 is a massive level of resistance for the price of Solana. Let me just draw it out for you guys so you guys get a better picture as to what I'm really trying to say here. You can see this for yourself, how big of a resistance this really is. Let me draw it out for you guys. So look at that, guys. Massive level of resistance where we got stopped out. So that is to be expected. But now comes a question, what is next? So right now, dominance is decreasing. So this is a good thing for altcoins, but Bitcoin is on a sideways momentum right now, of course. But if Bitcoin were to go below $30,000, we could potentially see Solana retest, of course, this $17 mark. That could be in the books. We did trade sideways along that range for quite some days. You can see this for yourself, but we finally popped out. So that could be on the range, but breaking out of this level of resistance can really cause more interest coming in. But with that said, guys, we still have yet to hear from this entire SEC situation. Of course, SEC was coming against, I believe, Coinbase, Binance, a lot of these other people that were, in hot waters. We've started to hear some positive news. So we're still yet to hear as to what, the SEC stance is on, Solana, along with, Cardano, and as well as Polygon Matic. But if we go look at those three assets that I have just mentioned, let's see how they have been performing. So you can see Cardano, Cardano, it hasn't moved too much, to be quite frank with you guys, and Polygon Matic as well. It has not moved much, but we're seeing Solana out of those three projects that were named as securities outperforming. So could this mean that there's something happening behind the scenes that we're not aware of? Who knows? Time is going to tell. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think right now is happening? Of course, we're facing massive levels of resistance. If we do see more buying pressure coming in, we could potentially break past that $22 price point once again, and it's going to feel like we have never left that range at all. But I want to hear from you guys. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think is happening right now. I love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.